You worried about that? Take it off my face. What type of makeup artist is you? Service me, please. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, today's video we have two special guests. One is Miss Bella here, the noise maker that y'all hear all the time. She said hey. Say hey, Bella. And then the other guest here is my little sister. Anyway, she's going to be doing my makeup today. It's going to be, as y'all can see by the title, it's going to be my little sister does my makeup. So anyway, yeah, so I'm barefaced, nothing at all, as y'all can see, no brows done. Yeah, nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
What's this?
And y'all, I'm not letting her use any of my expensive products. So today she is going to be using the LA Girl Pro. And this is in the shade Fawn. And that's what she's going to be concealing my brows with. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
What's wrong?
I don't know, like, what part of your eyebrow.
A whole brow. Girl, you gotta blend it out. You can't just leave it like that. Finish? Okay. Now you gonna do my eyeshadow next or what? My makeup or my eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow.
Fuck.
I'm struggling. Okay.
Bella want to get up here so bad, y'all. Like, oh my, no, you cannot. Okay, you gotta tell the people what you using. Okay, so what you gonna be using? What palette you using today? She's gonna be using the BH Cosmetics palette, y'all. She is so shy for no reason. Anyway, yeah, she's using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette. And that's what we're gonna be using for eyeshadow. She's gonna be using for eyeshadow. Like I said, I'm not helping her. So
what?
she getting fancy. She about to color correct. I put that on my face. She squeeze it right. Okay, so she color corrected already, as y'all see. And now she's going to be doing my foundation. And I'm just going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me. I did let her use the Too Faced Born This Way, even though this one is a little pricey. But I let her use this because, as y'all can see, it's not, I mean, you can't really mess this up because it's so close to my complexion, opposed to like a banana powder or something like that. And it's like, yeah, baby steps. So yeah, we went ahead and we used that one. Now I'm going to let her go ahead and contour my face. Yeah, that's contour. All right, y'all. So now she about to, I guess, give me a wing liner. Pray for me. That's enough. She gotta give me my infamous mole, y'all. Okay, not bad, not bad.
Somebody calling me. Yeah. No, I'm done.
You finished with everything? Okay. All right, well. All right, guys, so that wraps up this video. She said that she is finished. As y'all can see, she did my brows. She did my my shadow, liner, the face. She even gave me my infamous mole, which it is a little bigger than what I would normally do, but that's fine. Only thing she did not do was the lashes because we are not playing with those. Okay, no. And yeah, excuse me, y'all, because I'm all stuffy. My sinuses and stuff is killing me. So yeah, that wraps up this look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. We had fun. She finished a lot faster than I thought she would. I thought we were going to be here for hours. So Bella is saying goodbye, y'all. She did pretty good this video, y'all. She was not barking, making none of that noise. I guess because I gave her a little bit of camera time. So I think she liked the camera too. You like the camera, Bella? You like the camera? Do you like the camera for the people? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Say my name is Bella and I like to bark. I like to talk all day long.
That is annoying.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for... There she go. Thank you guys so much. Let me hurry up and wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend.
She almost fell.
Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.